Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off by holding power key. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and INFINIX logo appears, you can just release power key and keep holding volume up. When you see this XOS screen and the message no command, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, use volume keys to navigate through the menu and power key to select options. Here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from enter fast boot, apply update from SDB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. If you want to exit recovery mode, you can select an option power off and just turn off your device, or you can select option reboot system now and restart it. Let's do it like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.